Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. आज हम बनाने वाले हैं brownies and this is brownies are something very close to my heart. I make different types of cakes, but brownies and a red velvet cake. This is something which I love personally. So today is the first time I'm going to post a recipe for brownie. It is going to be a eggless brownie so that most of you can try this recipe. Let's get into the kitchen. Okay, so for the brownie, the first step is we have to melt the chocolate and butter. So उसके लिए मैंने सबसे पहले पानी बॉईल करने के लिए रखा है. एक देख सकते हैं आपकी एक गहरा वेसल है जिसके अंदर मैंने पानी थोड़ा सा डाल करके उसको बॉईल करने के लिए रखा है. ये हो चुका है बॉईल. यू कैन सी दैट क्लोजली. नाउ ऑन टॉप ऑफ दिस आई एम गोइंग टू कीप अ बाउल in which we are going to melt the butter and chocolate. Now I am taking half a cup of butter. Okay, so this is half cup of butter. This is cooking butter. If you don't have the cooking butter, you can use the salted butter also, which is available at any home, like Amul or Heritage का कोई भी butter आप use कर सकते हैं. So as of now, I have taken half cup of cooking butter, and in this I am adding 1 cup of dark chocolate. This is dark chocolate. I have roughly chopped it, and I am adding it to this. Now we need to melt this together and cook it. So this is going to take some time because the water is boiling, and with that heat it is going to melt. So we are just going to stir it and let this melt. You can see that the chocolate has almost melted. थोड़े बहुत lumps इसमें बाकी बचे हैं. So let this also melt. I'll show you in some time. So this has taken almost a minute now. It's going to take some more time because थोड़े से you can see the chocolate chunks there, right? So it also has to melt down completely. You can now see the chocolate has melted completely, and this is what is going to give the lovely brownie a nice chocolatey taste, and this is going to be really nice and chocolatey. So this is done. I'm going to switch off the gas flame now and let it cool down a little bit. And while it is cooling down, I'm going to prepare my the brownie tin as well. So here I have kept my tin ready. This is a brownie pan. I have buttered it and then put the butter paper on this. This is the dark chocolate that I am using. I have shown it in the first video also, that what all ingredients I use to bake. So this is available easily on Amazon or I think Flipkart as well. But it is also available in any supermarkets also. So you can find that if you want to make this brownies. Alright, so here I have taken, because we are making eggless brownie. So eggless brownie के लिए हम instead of egg we are going to use curd. So now here I have already taken about 1 cup of sugar. This is normal sugar जो आप daily use करते हैं. 1 cup of sugar, and in this I am adding 1 cup of curd. ये घर का normal curd है. सिर्फ इसको जो है पानी निकाल दिया है. That means that before you start making this, you have to keep it for straining, and उसमें से जो excess water है that you have to remove. So this is thick curd that is left out. So मैंने उसको करीब half an hour के लिए छोड़ दिया था strainer में डाल करके. Or otherwise, if you can find Greek yogurt, you can use that also, because Greek yogurt is not available so much in the market. So that's why I have used the normal curd which we eat at home. But make sure it doesn't contain water a lot. आपको वो पूरा water इसमें से निकाल देना है. So now just mix it all together. Okay. So you can see that this is completely mixed together. That means the curd and the sugar is completely mixed. So today I'm not using the electric mixer. I'm doing it with the hand, with this particular device itself. So this is a hand mixer. So I have just mixed everything with this nicely. Now it is done. At this point I am going to add the melted chocolate that we have melted some time back. So here is that. I'm going to pour this completely. So here it is. I have pour the complete chocolate mixture, chocolate and butter mixture into this curd, and now I'm going to mix it all together. Now, जब भी मैं ब्राउनी बनाती हूँ सबसे बड़ी प्रॉब्लम होती है कि when I melt this chocolate, I and my son, we cannot resist this chocolate butter mixture. The dark chocolate, this is so tempting कि मुझे जल्दी जल्दी ब्राउनी बनानी पड़ती है, नहीं तो हम दोनों we keep on licking from that and उसमें से ये आधा खत्म हो जाता है. So we really don't have patience to keep this dark chocolate to cool it down completely. उससे पहले मुझे यूज करना पड़ता है, नहीं तो फिर हम दोनों उसको ऐसे ही बैठ करके खाते रहेंगे. सो दिस इज डन. एट दिस पॉइंट ऑफ टाइम, दिस यू कैन सी दैट द कर्ड, आई कैन शो यू लिटिल क्लोज, यू कैन सी कर्ड, शुगर और chocolate mixture, chocolate और butter का जो mixture था, this is completely mixed, nicely mixed properly. Now at this stage I am going to add the flour. Now जब हम केक बनाते हैं तो केक में फ्लावर थोड़ा क्वांटिटी ज़्यादा रहता है, but because this is brownie में quantity of flour कम रहता है. Now in this I am adding about half a cup of flour. And let's mix this all together. क्योंकि इसमें फ्लावर कम रहता है और चॉकलेट ज़्यादा रहता है, तो उसके वजह से इसका टेस्ट जो है बहुत ही अच्छा आता है. इट बिकम्स रियली नाइस एंड फजी. So let me just mix this all properly. Okay, so you can see that this is nicely mixed. Now it is time to make it even more chocolatey. So I'm going to add some cocoa powder to it. Today I am using Weakfield ka cocoa powder. Some of you have been asking me that which cocoa powder should we use. So this is the one which I am using today. But you also have Hershey's. मेरे पास ज़्यादातर Hershey's का रहता है, but फिलहाल Hershey's का ख़त्म हो गया है. So I'm going to use this. I'm adding about 2 tablespoon of cocoa powder into this. So here we go. This is about 2 tablespoons of cocoa powder, and before I mix this all together, I also need to add about 1 teaspoon of baking powder. So you can see that this is the baking powder. Today I am using Bluebird का. This is the one which is available abundantly in market. आपको किसी भी supermarket में मिल जाएगा. So this is baking powder Bluebird. So I'm adding about 1 teaspoon of baking powder into this. Here it goes. And the last thing is to mix it all together. Before we can mix it, because it is brownies, इसमें जाएंगे थोड़े से chopped walnuts. So as of now मैं थोड़े ही add कर रही हूँ इसमें, because on top when I'm going to pour the brownie into the pan, उसमें मैं थोड़े और डालने वाली हूँ. So let me mix all this together. Alright, so everything is mixed nicely, and now I'm going to pour it into the tin. Now while you are doing this, while you are making the batter of the brownie, you have to keep the oven ready. Please heat the oven at 180 degree. Keep it on for some time, for on 180 degrees. Let it heat. I'm going to bake this for about 30 to 40 minutes, depending on, I will check in between whether it is cooked or not. अगर आपके पास ओवन नहीं है, ओवन ज़रूरी होना नहीं है बेकिंग करने के लिए, आप एक बड़ा वेसल ले सकते हैं और उसमें नीचे पूरा सॉल्ट बिखेर दीजिए, जो नॉर्मल घर का खाने वाला सॉल्ट होता है. आपको सैंड मिले जो कि बीचेस पे अवेलेबल होती है तो आप वो भी यूज़ कर सकते हैं, बट क्योंकि वो अवेलेबल इतने इस जगह नहीं मिलेगा, सो यू कैन ऑल्सो यूज़ द सॉल्ट जो घर में नॉर्मल खाने वाला सॉल्ट है. अगर आपको बेकिंग पसंद है या आप बच्चों के लिए बेक करना चाहते हैं तो 1 किलो सॉल्ट को आप यूज़ कर सकते हो, एंड इट इज़ रीयूजेबल. सो आप अगर आज यूज़ कर रहे हैं उसको निकाल, जब वो ठंडा हो जाए उसको निकाल के एक डब्बे में डाल के रख दीजिए. नेक्स्ट टाइम जब आप फिर से यूज़ कर रहे हैं, उसी सॉल्ट फिर से बना रहे हैं केक या बेक कर रहे हो कुछ भी, वेसल में फिर से उसी सॉल्ट को डाल सकते हैं. सो आई हैव बीन यूजिंग सेम 1 किलो सॉल्ट को जो है करीब ऑलमोस्ट 5 साल से यूज कर रही हूँ. उसमें कुछ भी खराब नहीं होता है, सिर्फ ये है कि वो कलर जो है उसका थोड़ा ब्राउनिश हो जाता है, एंड यू कैन कीप यूजिंग द सेम सॉल्ट अगेन एंड अगेन. सो दैट इज हाउ यू आर गोइंग टू मेक एनी और बेक एनीथिंग ऑन द गैस स्टव. इफ यू हैव अ ओवन यू कैन मेक यूज ऑफ ओवन. मेरे को ज्यादातर तो गैस स्टोव पे ही इजी लगता है, इट्स नॉट मच ऑफ अ हसल, बट मैं अभी फिलहाल के लिए आज तो मैं ब्राउनी ओवन के अंदर बनाने वाली हूँ. सो लेट मी गो अहेड एंड पोर दिस ऑल इनटू दिस ब्राउनी टिन एंड शो इट टू यू. एक चीज़ याद रखने वाली बात यह है कि जब आप केक बना रहे होते हो तो केक का बैटर थोड़ा फ्लोई होता है. जब आप ब्राउनी बना रहे होते हैं तो इसका बैटर उतना फ्लोई नहीं होता. दिस इज लिटिल बिट ऑन द harder side only. Okay, so just going to try and spread it as much equally as possible. So here it goes. My cake tin is ready to go into the oven. मैंने अच्छे से इसके ऊपर थोड़े से walnuts और डाल दिए, जैसा कि मैंने आपको बोला था कि walnuts मैंने थोड़ा कम डाला था मिक्सचर में. It's your choice. You can put more of walnut inside as chopped walnuts. I have just put it on the top as well. Now walnuts are very very good for health, but it has little bittery taste, so probably it's not eaten very much. But this is one way you can make your child have akhrot or walnut in the brownies as well. So you can try this recipe. So I'm going to put this in the oven at 180 degrees for about 30 to 35 minutes depending on, I will check in between that whether it is done or not. Alright, so brownie is on the oven and it's going to take some time, so let's wait. Ta-da! This is in the process, not yet done, but just wanted to show you. It's smelling too good. Kitchen is completely full. Just waiting for some more time for this to be get done. Let it cook and take its own time. Can you see? Actually light पीछे है, so दिखाई नहीं दे रहा ठीक से. Let me stop. ये मुझे लगता है कि हो गया है. So let me first test it. हो गया है कि नहीं. I'm just going to pull this out a bit and see using a toothpick. So I have a toothpick here. I'm just going to put it in and see if it is done or not. Okay, so you can see the toothpick has come out absolutely clean, जिसका मतलब है कि केक बन चुका है. So this is how you test it. So this is done. So oven को कर दिया है बंद and let me take this out and keep it for cooling. And this is smelling amazing. So let it cool down. It will take about 30 minutes or so, and after that we will cut it into pieces. My brownies are ready and just going to dust them with some icing sugar. These look awesome and taste too yum. जब भी मैं brownies बनाती हूँ, it doesn't remain long time in my house. ऐसे ही खत्म हो जाती है मतलब brownies. And this has turned out so delicious. Do try this recipe. Do not think that ये eggless है, so it must not be tasty. It has come out amazingly delicious. Do try this recipe. Let me know how it turned out for you. If you like the recipe, please hit the like button, share it with your friends and subscribe to my channel. That will be really helpful. Thank you for watching. Have a good day.